Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I am back again after a long time, and I was busy because of that I was unable to make any kind of videos, but right now I am again back. So let's start trading session without wasting any time. So here I have taken a trade in an up direction, so let's see what happens here, because you can see this is a momentum and this is a sign of continuation. So market will give us at least here a single bullish candle again. So let's see and hope for the best, and we will get the best results from this market. Okay, 2-1-0. So we won this first trade. Now let's analyze another market. Okay, so right now what I am seeing here, a strongness in the market, and okay, so I can go here with the buyers. Again I have taken a trade in an up direction. The first thing is that market opened with a gap down opening. It is a sign that market wants to go up, and it also got the rejection from this round number, and this is a very strong candlestick. So because of that I took my trade, and the market will definitely give me here a winning trade, and this time the market will go up because this is an engulfing candlestick, but it has to work here. So analysis are not that much difficult. We make it difficult, so there is no need to make it difficult. We need to move on with the market. So let's start the next trade. Okay, so right now you can see here I have taken a trade in a down direction. This candlestick is a sign of continuation here, and it has to go down and it has to close below this area, because you can see it made a new low. It is breaking this round number. It means that sellers are fully in control and they want to make the market to go down. And now you can see here sellers are entering, and your next level is here. If you really want to make a level, so this is your level. So you can see market is trying to go down. So this is how we can take trades, and believe me, right now I am unable to take more trades because I want to finish this trading session. Why? Because I am too much tired and I need to take rest, and I will be back again with a new video. So don't worry about the videos anymore. I will be there for you all again and again, day by day. So let me show you here. You can see here I took this trade. Okay, let me show you here. I took this trade in an up direction. Why? Because you can easily see that it was a momentum, and still I was seeing that in this area. What I am seeing here, we can expect here a U-turn, but still we are seeing here the continuation signs. So therefore I took my trade, because I knew that after any kind of exhausted candle market will reverse. And now you can see, if you compare these two candlesticks with this one, this candlestick was an exhausted candle, and after that you can see here a seller's entry. So let me show you here. You can see here I have taken a trade after this candlestick. This candlestick still looks like a very strong candlestick, and it broke this area and it engulfed this candlestick. So it means that this is a real engulfing candle, and you can go here in an up direction easily. Although you can see there was bullish candle again bearish, bullish candle again bearish, but this time there is no bearish candle, because what I saw here, gap down opening. Gap down opening means buyers really wants to go up. So because of that this was a clue for me to go here with the buyers. And the strongness of this candlestick, you can see this is a strong candle, so it means that it has to go up and it will make another bullish candle 110%. So you can see here, you can easily see here that after these two candlesticks, you can see I saw this candle, and it is telling me that it is a sign of continuation, so there is no need to worry about this one. And right now what I am seeing here, I am seeing here that this candlestick went up and make an impact, and it showed me that this is a real continuation candlestick. Why? Let me zoom in this area. Now you can see here, you can see here this candlestick is telling me that, okay, let me draw it for you all. Okay, this candlestick is telling me that, okay, we are very strong in this zone, so we can move downwards easily. So we can move downwards and we can smile and we can win this trade. So because of that, you can see here it is a sign of continuation, making here a new low. It is showing that momentum is getting much stronger, and now it is also telling me that volume is becoming much stronger. So because of that, I took my trade here and I won this one too. So analysis are not that much difficult, but right now what I am seeing here, let me show you here another example. Okay, so now if I want to tell you that, okay, after this candlestick the next candlestick will be a bullish one, so it will be not that much wrong. Why? Because you can see here, buyers went down and again got the rejection, making here a strong candlestick. This is a very strong candlestick, and because of that, you can see again next candlestick also went up and it will close. As I said, it has to close here as a bullish, so it closed here as a bullish. Now what I am seeing here, okay, I can go here with the buyers. I have taken a trade here in an up direction. As I told you, the gap down opening is a sign that market needs to go up, and in this candlestick what I am seeing here, I saw here this is a gap down opening and now market needs to go up. Why? Because this candlestick is a very strong candlestick here, and in this candlestick I saw that market is trying to make here a situation where we can find a momentum. So because of that, I went here with the buyers, but I took my trade here with the margin of safety, which will help us all to go in an up direction and we can easily win this trade. So now you can see how I am trying to explain you all the best things, and these things are very much easy and understandable. So now again you can see momentum is getting much stronger here. So again you can see buyers are trying to enter. Let's see. Okay, GBP USD. So let me find GBP USD. Okay, here this is GBP USD. Now you can see here, as I told you, market went down, got the rejection, again went up, so it means that this is a healthy candlestick. And then what I am seeing here, I am not seeing here a strong rejection, so it means that buyers can also move up again and they can try to make here another impact. But we need to wait and we need to see few things more here, and these things are that there is any kind of level. So you can see this is the level. So this is the hidden level. You can see here market broke this area, and you can see here market again closed exactly at that area, and now it is trying to go down. So you need to focus on each and every level. So therefore I was not taking any kind of trade, but I knew that market will go up, and it went up such a long way. So this is how you can analyze the market, and you can take your trades easily. So right now you can see here sellers are trying to enter here, and you can see okay, again we can expect here a seller's candle. So should I go here with the sellers? Okay, I have taken a trade here in a down direction, so let's see what happens here. For me, this candlestick needs to get a rejection, and it has to go down. So let's see what happens here. For me, this is a sign of continuation here. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, hello, River. So here you can see unfortunately we lost our trade. Okay, no issues, it happens sometime, as I told you. So okay, so here I think analysis went wrong here, but right now again market will go down. If market goes up, I will recover my loss. Okay, I'm waiting to get here another winning trade. Okay, no issues, market will definitely go down, but my entry point is very late. But I am very much confident that when I hit the buttons for put option, so market was moving very fast, so it means that it will close below that entry point. But I need to I need to wait. I cannot close right now. Okay, so now you can see again I recovered my loss here. So this is the way that we can analyze the market in a best manner. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, but remember I was very much busy, therefore I was unable to make the videos. But from now on we will be in touch, and I will make the videos which will help you all in a best manner. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and try to analyze how I am analyzing the market, because it is very much easy and understandable. So there is not such kind of difficulty for you all. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now, and you can subscribe our channel Trading Skills on YouTube, and you can join our channel on Telegram Trading Skills. The link is in the description. So stay blessed, you all. Bye for now, have a blessed day ahead. Bye.